good morning.
Good morning, Pilipinas!
Good morning. Ben. Good morning. Magandang buhay, Ben. Good morning. Bye-bye. Hello, Ben. Girls. Hi, Ben.
Hi there!
Hello, girls. Maganda. Besa.
Hi, Mirna!
Hi, good.
The volunteers, and I saw Hannah Arnold, it's Isabel. And then I saw her, doon ko lang na-realize na siya yung Hannah Arnold whom we see during the pageant itself. So we were very lucky that she was really, that was on her own personal capacity. And I do encourage everyone of you, like her, please consider volunteering, not just with Childhood, but also with other different organizations that are concerned with children's welfare. Because we really need all the help that we can get. Sabi nga ng isang African proverb, it takes a village to raise a child. Diba? Sa amin sa Childhood, sabi namin, hindi lang kami, hindi lang sila, hindi lang kayo, kundi tayong lahat. We are a sweet child. So, thank you.
Trisha! Yan. Okay, right now what you see here are the Binibining Pilipinas candidates enjoying their charity day with orphan kids. lot of adults, a lot of Binibinis doing a lot of activities, a lot of mga kiddie stuff. Okay? Hindi tayo pwedeng lumapit doon sa area ni na Sir Fines, but they are there. So there is Sir Fines and the Black Boys. Sila yung pinaka-importanteng tao na makakasalamuhan ng mga media dito. Okay, so here we have pool tables and a lot of girls are here. This is Tala. Hi ladies! Yan, kaway-kaway. Are you enjoying? That's the question. The kids. Yeah.
But my dad, they're enjoying with us.
Okay. And sorry. And here we have Shaira. Hi, Shaira.